Threatening some cloud cover out there right now, but that is not going to be the case along the East Coast. Again, the very latest information in Hurricane Irene this morning, weakening slightly overnight. Some dry air impacting the storm, some wind shear. The folks at the Hurricane Center are a little on the fence as to whether this will intensify further. That possibility still exists. It's a possibility. It's not definite because there's still extremely warm water here off the southeast coastline. As we've been telling you, at least over the past couple of days, it may actually kind of just be going through a reorganization phase. So we'll have to watch this during the morning hours. But the storm continuing to track now up toward North Carolina. Here's Cape Hatteras and the Outer Banks, and this is the area that's really going to be impacted by the storm. As we take a look at the track, it has changed very little since yesterday. Still essentially right up along the eastern seaboard here, heading up toward Long Island. This is slightly east, maybe just slightly from where it was being tracked yesterday in this area. But notice the cone of probability has decreased. It is much more narrow up here, so it is much more certain that this will be the path, at least following up into downstate and then eventually up into southern New England. Max winds in the storm right now at 109 miles per hour. This probably is going to be the biggest threat, the flood threat. And there is the possibility within this zone here as we get into the weekend. Now, this will extend further to the south into the Carolinas over the next 24 hours, but as the storm gets into the northeast this weekend, Philadelphia, New York City, Hartford, we might be looking at 6 to 10 inches of rainfall out of this in those major cities. As we take a look at Amherst right now, overlooking the town, some cloud cover out there, a few breaks in the clouds, broadening out the picture on the Future Watch, and we are going to be looking pretty nice around here, not only for today, but into tomorrow. We get that sunshine going on, high pressure dominating the weather situation around here in the Eastern Lakes region, so no major weather hassles around here. And here's the hurricane working its way, edging its way northward along the eastern seaboard toward the Carolina coastline over the next 24 hours. As we take a look now at the roadways this morning, just clouds out there. That's it. No rain coming down from them. Gordon was wondering about that. Don't have to worry about that. Highways north to south, QEW heading up to TO. Mainline eastbound into Rochester, westbound into Erie, and the Southern Tier Expressway. Just some clouds will greet you this morning, but those clouds will start to break up as we work through the morning. 63 at Buffalo right now. Pairs 6s from the Falls. We have 61 at Jamestown, Wellsville, a bit cooler, Bradford at 57. And dew point temperature is actually a little humid. We will be dealing with moderate humidity out there. Not excessively high, but it's going to be there. That's the case at least across the Niagara frontier. Not quite as sticky down toward the southern tier and northern PA right now. Here's your forecast. Early clouds today giving way to a mostly sunny Friday. Moderate humidity and a high temp 73 to 77 with a light northeasterly breeze. For tonight, mostly to partly clear down to 53 to 60. Tomorrow, we're looking at a mostly sunshiny Saturday. Moderate humidity. High temperature up around 80 degrees. And on Sunday, some clouds will brush us from Hurricane Irene. I'm calling partly sunny skies western counties, maybe a little bit cloudier toward the Genesee Valley, 72 to 76. And beyond that, it is just looking okay next week. Lots of sunshine going on. Mid-70s at first on Monday, rebuilding to about 80 degrees by Wednesday and Thursday.